Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Google Play Store on your laptop or PC. It's quite easy. Let's get started. First, open up Chrome browser and after that click on search bar, click on it and here you have to type Google Play Store and then just click on enter. And after that you will get this page. As you can see, click on this first link, play.google.com, just click on it and after that you will get this interface and then just click on this three dot, click on it and go down until you see save and share, then just click on create shortcut, just click on it and from here you can rename this name as you want. I'll just rename this name Google Play Store and then just click on create, then after that close this and here as you can see we have Google Play Store on our laptop. So if I just open up, so now here as you can see, I can download apps from here. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, then please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.